Why do modern car designs lack the charm of classic cars? Classic cars like the 1969 Ford Mustang Mach-1 or the 1957 Chevrolet Bel Air exude a timeless charm that modern vehicles often struggle to match. From sleek curves to bold chrome accents, vintage cars have a distinct personality that captivates enthusiasts. So, why do modern car designs lack the charm of classic cars? Regulatory constraints shape modern designs. Modern car designs prioritize safety and efficiency over aesthetic flair, largely due to stringent regulations. The National Highway Traffic Safety Administration and European Union standards mandate features like pedestrian-friendly front ends, higher hoods, and reinforced structures. These rules, while critical for safety, limit designers' creative freedom. For instance, the low-slung, aggressive profiles of classics like the Jaguar E-Type are nearly impossible to replicate under today's crash test requirements. Instead, modern cars like the 2025 Toyota Camry often feature boxier, more uniform shapes to meet aerodynamic and safety standards, diluting their visual appeal. In addition, the push for hybrid and electric vehicles requires sleek, aerodynamic designs to maximize range, often resulting in similar-looking, smooth silhouettes across brands. Unlike the chrome-heavy, gas-guzzling classics, modern cars sacrifice bold styling for eco-compliance, reducing their distinctiveness. Computer-aided design and uniformity. The rise of computer-aided design has revolutionized automotive production, but contributed to less characterful designs. In the 1960s, designers hand-sketched models like the Pontiac GTO, infusing them with unique artistic flair. Today, CAD software optimizes every curve for aerodynamics and cost efficiency, often producing homogenized designs. Classic cars often reflected their makers' cultural identities. Think Italian flair in the Alfa Romeo Spider. Modern global platforms, however, prioritize universal appeal, blending styles into a generic aesthetic that lacks the soul of vintage designs. Shifting consumer priorities. Today's buyers prioritize technology, connectivity, and practicality over pure aesthetics. Features like infotainment systems, advanced driver assistance systems, and spacious interiors dominate purchasing decisions. The 2025 Honda CR-V, for instance, emphasizes tech and comfort over bold styling. While the 1970 Plymouth Barracuda's vibrant colors and muscular stance appeal to emotion, not utility. Yet nostalgia persists. Enthusiasts praise classics for their raw, unfiltered designs, with posts often highlighting the soul missing in modern cars. Some automakers, like Dodge with its retro-inspired Challenger, attempt to recapture this charm, but regulations and cost constraints limit their efforts. Conclusion. Modern car designs lack the charm of classics due to regulatory demands, CAD-driven uniformity, and evolving consumer needs. While safety and efficiency are critical, they often come at the cost of the bold, artistic styling that defined vintage icons. For car enthusiasts searching for that classic charm, exploring restored classics or retro-inspired models may be the key to rediscovering automotive passion.